Rabia Khan, Associate Professor, Samrat Prathiraj Chauhan, Government College, Ajmer. Today I am going to explain you hypertension. So students, what is hypertension? Hypertension means high blood pressure. Hypertensive heart disease means a person is having high blood pressure. The heart working under increased pressure causes heart disorder. The damage done by high blood pressure or hypertension is serious. Now when this hypertension it is undetected, then it leads to several diseases. What are the diseases that are caused by high blood pressure? Stroke, heart failure, sexual dysfunction, vision loss, heart attack and the kidney disease failure. These are the diseases which are caused due to high blood pressure. Now coming to high blood pressure, it damages the arteries that can become blocked and prevent blood flow to the heart muscles. Means it is blocking and blood is not flowing. What is stroke? In high blood pressure, the blood vessels in the brain, they are clogged. Means they are not having sufficient supply of the blood, so they are clogged. This is called as stroke. What is heart failure? The increased workload from high blood pressure can cause the heart to enlarge and fail to supply blood to the body. This is called as heart failure. Now what is heart attack? A heart attack occurs when an artery supplying heart with blood and oxygen become blocked. Fat is deposited over it and forming plaques in your heart arteries. Means there is no smooth, arteries are now not smooth, there is a deposition of this either fat or narrowing of the arteries. If a plaque ruptures, a blood clot can form and block your arteries, causing heart attack. What is heart failure? Heart failure does not mean the heart has stopped working. Rather, it means that the heart is pumping, power is weak than the normal and the heart has become less elastic, as heart is an elastic organ. With heart failure, blood moves through the heart pumping chambers less effectively and the pressure in the heart increases, making it harder for your heart to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body. Means people are very confused sometimes that heart failure, that heart has stopped working. No, but the pumping power of the heart has been decreased due to deficiency of oxygen. Now other disease is the kidney disease. As you know, kidney, it is a very essential organ. So when high blood pressure is